So today I'm going to show you a little bit how to make some really great laundry soap. When you're using clean products and you keep them next to your skin, you're really helping yourself and your family detoxify the way that you are. And nothing touches your body more than your clothing. So you want to keep it fresh and clean. And when I first started making this laundry soap, I thought, oh, this is not going to get my clothes as clean as this soap, but it actually does. See, this soap is really thick and full of solvents and things to help gar gum and sludge, really, to help everything stick together. And so what I found is that my clothes were actually cleaner. They don't have dyes in them, they don't have perfumes and things that are really going to make my skin dry and itchy. So this is my soap. You can see it's very thin. There's a little bit of soda in there that is very similar to the ashes that they use in soaps. And so you have to kind of shake it up to use it. You can see some of it settles at the bottom, but your laundry will smell really good with this baking soda in it. And the other thing that I put in it is some salt. So I just use the coarse salt, and that is very cleansing as well. And so you dissolve that in water. So I'm just going to demonstrate how simple it is to do with Castile soap, baking soda, some of this soap, and then some essential oils. So first of all, I take an empty gallon bottle and use a funnel to put in there. And the first thing that I'm going to add in is the salt. That's 2 tablespoons of coarse salt. Is a half a cup of baking soda. And then I'm going to pour in my hot water. And I just boiled some water because you want to dissolve the salt. So I'm going to be pouring in a couple of cups, maybe 3 or 4 cups of boiling water. And then just stirring that around to break up the salt. You can hear it foaming. And then add in a half a cup of Castile soap. So what I do is put a little bit of water in the cup first, and so the Castile soap comes out easily, and you don't waste as much soap that way. And then you just fill up the rest with plain water. Okay, now that I have got that all done, I can add my essential oils. And remember that essential oils don't mix with water. So that's why before you do your laundry, you just give it a little shake, and so you can have some really great scent in your laundry. But if you don't want to put your essential oils in your laundry, I have a tip for you that you can do. So you can take some of these dryer balls, and these are just a standard wool dryer ball, and you can put the oils that you really love on the dryer balls. So I really like eucalyptus and wild orange, or peppermint and lemon, or Siberian fir and geranium. So you just drop a couple of drops of oil on them. I find that the scent is a lot better assumed in the dryer than it is in the laundry soap. The oils do help purify and clean, however, so I usually add purify and lemon or lavender to my laundry soap as well. The other way, if you don't have these dryer balls, you can just take some knotted up old nylons and you can add a couple of drops of the oils to that, and that spreads it purifies and scents your clothes, because that's one of the things we love. One of my friends was using a lot of scented things in her home, and it actually gave her daughter a serious lung disease. So when we're using the essential oils to scent our clothing in the dryer, we're taking away the chemicals and perfumes that can cause us allergies and chemical toxic load.